Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into how you can set up your CNC machine like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned tech hobbyist or just starting out, this guide will have you cutting through materials like butter in no time. First things first, let's talk about your workspace. Make sure you've got a clean, well-lit area with enough space around your machine to move freely. You'll need easy access to your tools and materials, so keep everything organized. Alright, now to the main event, unboxing your CNC machine. Carefully remove all components from the packaging. Check the manual for any specific instructions on what to unbox first. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Next, let's assemble the machine frame. Follow the manual closely. Each CNC model can have slight variations. Typically, you'll connect the base, gantry, and any mounting brackets. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but don't over-tighten. You want stability, not stress fractures. Once your frame is assembled, it's time to mount the motors. These are usually stepper or servo motors, and they control the movement of your CNC. Attach them to the appropriate spots on the machine, making sure all screws and bolts are secure. Now onto wiring. This part can look intimidating, but take it one step at a time. Connect the motor wires to the control board, following the color-coded diagram in the manual. Make sure all connections are snug. Loose wires can lead to erratic movements, or even damage your machine. Next up, installing the software. Most CNC machines come with their own software, but you might also need to download additional drivers. Install the software on your computer, and connect your CNC machine via USB or Ethernet. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once your software is installed, it's time to calibrate your machine. This means setting the 0 point for the X, Y, and Z axes. Use the jog controls in your software to move the spindle to your desired 0 point, then set it. This will ensure that your cuts are accurate. Now let's test it out. Load a simple design into your software and do a dry run without any material. This will help you check for any issues in movement or alignment. If everything looks good, you're ready for your first cut. And there you have it, folks. Setting up a CNC machine might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of patience and attention to detail, you'll have it running smoothly in no time. Make sure to always follow safety precautions and happy